here teaching Adam how to swim. He loves it. Come on, let's go. Show them how to swim. Show them. Yeah. It's enough. Look guys, he doesn't want to come out from the swimming pool. But do that. He's coming back. He's
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
He wants to go back all the time.
You love being here, don't you? Okay, you're going to... We are out for dinner in this lovely restaurant we found somewhere here, a few meters away from home. This is horse meat, you guys. Horse meat. I've never tried horse meat, so this should be interesting. And some potatoes for me. And Adam is right there. He already ate at the hotel. Is this still recording? It's zoomed.
So nice.
I know, right? It's going down. I'm glad because I'm tired of eating pizza, so yeah. Today we are out here. I don't know what day is this. I think it's Wednesday today. It looks amazing out here. It's sunny, but it's windy, so it's trying to cool down our skins from not getting burnt. You don't want to go and see what's this all about? It's history, let's see.
Yeah.
History will tell you who you are.
The train is coming.
You never know, maybe you're, I don't know, that skeleton. So what's he saying? We're going all the way there. Today is Thursday. It's the 5th day I think we've been here. 6th day that we've been. I wasn't counting because we were almost here at 9. We're going to the beach again. We're just going to all these beaches that are around us. Yesterday we went to this beautiful place you guys have seen. The day before that, like every day we're going to a new beach. That's how big this island is. Like so many beaches around. It's real nice. But yeah, Adam is asleep as always. Lassie is driving as always, and I'm the one who is vlogging as always. And I like it. Yeah, and my laptop, I have a good news about it. It's going to be fixed today. I'm going to get it and it's going to be fine so that I can start editing these vlogs, because I have so many videos to edit. I don't want to put everything at once. I want to like separate the vlogs. See you there when we're at the beach. Look at this house, you guys. So beautiful. That's my weird husband. But it's, when is today? Saturday. This is my Saturday outfit right here. And my baby's Saturday outfit.
My outfit is simple.
Oh, it's like we're not going to the party.
Doesn't matter.
This is my outfit. And my baby boy is right. I really love this dress from Pretty Little Things. It's so cute. It was, I don't know how much, I can't even remember. These shoes too, also Pretty Little Thing. Pretty Little Thing, mighty. Guys, I forgot to vlog when we were eating, and then after that I just remembered now because we were talking about something. But we're going back to the hotel again.
We were so that busy road with people.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Having fun, families and kids playing around.
It's really
people
nice.
dancing, live
The
music
city
there.
is so alive at night.
Smells and sounds good. All these streets are busy.
You can hold this?
Yeah.
Wow.
We will take some videos.
Adam, yeah, tell me. It's so hot by the way. I'm sweating under my arms. It's amazing. Vlog Adam too. Adam slept and then he woke up when we started to move.
See you in the hotel.
Back in the hotel. I still love my braids though. So I look good. Hi. 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 What is that? Why are you putting that in your mouth, Adam? Don't do it. Don't do it. We're going to sleep soon. You ready to sleep, baby? Atik.
Hi.
Hi. What's your name?
Okay.
Your name is Atik? No. Your name is Adam. Your name is Adam. You can see yourself. Say hi. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow, guys.